Hey everyone, so today I have an Amazon Fresh haul for you. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I have been enjoying using Amazon Fresh here and there. I've been sick of shopping at Kroger, and Amazon Fresh just brings it right to the door. And since we have Amazon Prime, it's no extra fee. I think if it's over $35. And one of the things I also like is that you can order stuff from Whole Foods from Amazon Fresh. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I got this, it's actually a Whole Foods brand, 365 organic low-fat cottage cheese. Got these wild blueberry mini muffins, which that's not what I ordered. I think I ordered the chocolate chip and blueberry, but I guess this works. I got this sweet kale chopped salad kit. New York Texas toast garlic bread. I got a couple of things of soap. This is the pear flavored liquid hand soap, the 365, which is Whole Foods. I got a sea salt grinder. I got another this is soft soap, antibacterial soap. There was like some limits on the soaps, so I just kind of got different kinds. I got herbal essences, argan oil, repair shampoo and conditioner. Came as a set. I got Purina Puppy Chow. Got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I got this pack of Annie's Homegrown Organic snack packs. It's a 12 count and it has, let's see, cheddar bunnies, cheddar squares, bunny grams. Okay, so I have some more things. This is kind of a big haul. I got some grape tomatoes, organic grape tomatoes. I got some strawberries. I got a bag of the Whole Foods chopped kale. Baby carrots. Got some blueberries. I got a bag of these, I think they're called Envy apples. I think it's 2 pounds. Got some sweet mini peppers. Got this large box of the Whole Foods Homestyle waffles. Not sure how many are in here. Family pack, 24 waffles. Okay. I got some veggie chips. I got this Fairlife. It's non-lactose milk, chocolate reduced fat, 2%. 365 organic apple juice. And then, and I got some bread. It's Nature's Own butter bread. I don't know if I've ever had butter bread before, but I figured I'd try that. Okay, for now, for the last little bit, I got this Honest shampoo and body wash. I've been using this recently for the kids. It's supposed to be good for sensitive skin. It's purely sensitive, fragrance free. I got this grated Parmesan cheese, basil pesto, Planters Nutrition Heart Healthy Mix is peanuts, almonds, pistachios, pecans, walnuts, hazelnuts with some sea salt. I got some of these Ocean Spray craisins, dried cranberries. Got another thing of soap, the Dial antibacterial. I got 2 of these pizzas, cheese pizzas, Totino's. I got this Alexia Mexican style street corn with Parmesan and mild red chili. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And then I got this Whole Foods organic garlic and herb rice pilaf, which I actually thought this was frozen online, but it's not, I guess. There's that. I guess it's not. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's not frozen. For some reason, when I ordered it, I thought it was frozen. Organic tomato ketchup. Then I got these organic wheat square crackers. And then I got this Red Baron 4-cheese pizza, classic crust. I think that's everything I got. I believe my total was around 170, 175-ish. Not for sure. Somewhere around there. But yeah, if you haven't used Amazon Fresh, it's kind of nice and convenient. I don't know. I've been liking it. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.